Hi everyone, this is Shirozen, ang magpapaliwanag sa inyo ng mga kasabihan o life quotes na makakatulong sa pag-develop ng inyong mindset at disiplina sa sarili. Ang topic natin ngayon ay ang kasabihan na control your anger, make it power. Sa video na to, tatalakayin natin ang mga sumusunod. The meaning of the quote, when to control your anger, how to control your anger, and why is the quote important. Before we proceed, narito muna ang kaunting paalala. Kaunting paalala, ang mga life quotes na ginagamit ko ay hindi sa akin. I only provide explanation about sa quote for better understanding. Control your anger, make it power. Ang kasabihan na ito ay nahahati sa dalawa. Ang importance of controlling your anger at ang conversion of anger. Pag-usapan muna natin ang importance of controlling your anger. There are many reasons and causes of anger. Madaming dahilan kung bakit tayo nagagalit. Pero kailangan din natin alalahanin ang importance of controlling your anger. Why? Here's an example. Think of a fantasy movie or series where the character is powerful, but the power is uncontrollable. So what will happen if that powerful power is uncontrollable? The answer is yes. It will cause harm to you and to others. At ang controllable power na ito ay walang iba kundi ang anger. Your anger will cause harm to you and to others. How? Di ba kapag nagagalit tayo, may tendency na naninigaw o nagmumura o nakakapanakit tayo. Sa tingin nyo, ano kayang mararamdaman ng tao na nadamay lang sa galit mo at nasigawan mo kahit wala naman silang kasalanan sa'yo? One thing is for sure, matatakot sila sa'yo, iiwas at lalayuan ka. So mawawalan ka ng friends, connection, and you'll be helpless. Kasi pwede din silang magalit sa'yo. At dahil doon, you'll be depressed and will start to hurt yourself. So learn how to control your anger. Pag-usapan naman natin ang conversion of anger. Bago ako mag-explain tungkol dito, I want you to remember the goals and dreams in your life. At some point ba nawawalan na kayo ng pag-asa to reach that dream? Or nawawalan na kayo ng motivation to achieve your goals in life? Well, if oo, think of anger as your hot gas or fuel na nagpapagana sa makina mo. Release that fuel or anger into your body and mind, but not on the person who makes you angry. And use that fuel to give you more energy and motivation to help you move forward in life. And that is how the conversion of anger works. Ngayon, when to control your anger? I have here some cases na kung saan it is better to control your anger sa mga sitwasyon na ganito. Ang una dyan is, if hindi ka pa nasasaktan physically, o kung hindi pa sinasaktan yung pamilya mo or yung loved ones mo physically, hayaan mo lang silang magsalita ng kung ano-ano dyan. Kung mapagod sila, titigil yan. Pero kung hindi, sige lang, hayaan mo lang. Basta ang mahalaga, hindi ka nasasaktan physically at hindi ka nadidisturbo sa ingay na ginagawa nila. Pangalawa, if hindi ka pa napapahiya. Kapag napahiya ka, na wala ka naman ginagawa sa kanilang mali pero pinahiya ka nila, yun yung time na kailangan mong magalit. Pero kung hindi ka pa naman napapahiya, hayaan mo lang sila dyan sa gilid. Pangatlo, if hindi ka pa sinisiraan through online platforms. At ang pang-apat, if hindi pa nakakasira sa'yo yung mga paninira or fake news na pinapakalat ng mga taong may galit sa'yo. Kapag lahat ng yun ay hindi ka pa nasasaktan, napapahiya, sinisiraan, kontrolin mo muna ang galit mo. Pero kapag ikaw ay nasaktan na, napahiya, o nasiraan na, kailangan mo nang ipakita na hindi ka dapat nila ganun-ganunin lang. How to control your anger. I have here some tips kung paano mo makokontrol ang galit mo based on my experience. Number 1, close your eyes, inhale and exhale. If you are talking, stop for a moment and close your mouth. If you are moving or doing an action, stay put for a moment and rub your chest para kumalma ka. And lastly, remember your goals in dreams and life. Why? Why should you remember your goals in dreams and life? Well, dito sa point na to, dadating sa'yo yung realization na hindi mo na kailangan dapat ubusin yung oras mo para lang magalit ka dun sa taong wala namang maiaambag sa goals and dreams mo sa buhay. Dito mo marirealize yung huwag mong sayangin ng oras mo sa mga taong nanggagalit sa'yo. So again, close your eyes, inhale and exhale. If you are talking, stop for a moment and close your mouth. If you are moving or doing an action, stay put for a moment and rub your chest. And lastly, remember your goals in dreams and life. Importance of the quote. Ang kasabihan na control your anger, make it power, lets you know the importance of controlling your anger and lets you know how to convert your anger or release your anger to push you closer to your goals in dreams and life. The quote also lets you know kung kailan lang ba dapat magkontrol ng galit at kung ano-ano ba yung mga paraan para makontrol mo ang galit. The quote serves as a reminder for you that not all the times you should be angry when someone wants to trigger your anger. At doon natatapos ang ating topic. If you have some suggestions, please comment down below and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. Thanks for watching!